everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a tutorial for you. This is my first YouTube tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy this one. What I'm doing today is I am basically altering or collaging on top of this vintage tag, and the materials that I'm using are all items that I received in my design team package from Tremblay's paper shop. So basically all around me, which you can't see in the frame, but I have the contents of my design team package scattered all over my desk, and I'm kind of just going through and seeing what I want to use. And yeah, I want to use only elements from the package to create a really cool and vintage looking collage tag to go with a journal that I have that is of similar colors. And please forgive the state of my nail polish. It's awful. And I'm not sorry about it. It's just, it's the way it goes. I'm a busy artist, mom, wife, and sometimes I just don't have time to worry about my nails and taking the polish off. Leave me the little nail emoji. You know what I'm talking about with the little pink nail polish and the nails? Leave me that in the comments if you can relate. So I hope you enjoy this little look into my collage process for this little vintage tag, and I will leave all of the links and information for Tremblay's paper shop in the description box of my video, and you can use my discount code if you like, or even one of my teammates' codes to save 10% on your order. Alright everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave me the nail emoji or a comment on how you liked this little tutorial and this little tag. Bye!